This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the images are actually on the micro SD card. Open Album and check the screenshots or videos you want. Once confirmed, power off the switch to safely remove the card. This prevents file corruption. Next, insert the micro SD into an adapter or prepare a USB-C cable for data transfer, and make sure your computer is on with enough free space. You don't want the copy to fail because storage is full. Now you move the files. If using the micro SD, open your computer's File Explorer and browse to the DSIM Nintendo folders where screenshots and videos live. If you connected directly, put the switch into data transfer mode and use the device entry that appears. Select the images you want and copy them to a dedicated folder on your computer. This keeps them organized. Make sure to preserve file names and modification dates if you plan to sort or batch edit them later. To finish, safely eject the micro SD or switch and then open a selection of transferred files to confirm they're intact. If they open, you're done. If you notice missing images, make sure you checked all folders including duplicates or hidden directories on the card. If the copy failed or files appear corrupted, try a different adapter or USB-C cable, run your operating system's disk error check, and then repeat the transfer. That usually fixes read errors caused by hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.